Whistle blows and away we go. It's the Sunwolves against the Hurricanes in Wellington. Flicks it across. Moore carries it on. Tanaka looking left and right. Finally gets it away to his captain. And Labuschagne scores the try.
Great stuff from the Sunwolves, keeping it reasonably close. One off Tanaka runners, but just muscling it up. When they Labuschagne here gets around Artie Savea with a big right-hand fend. Well, Hurricanes denied a try at the other end. No denying this for the Sunwolves.
Well, they took the right option, didn't they, with the line out to then bring it in as a pack and start taking the Hurricanes on.
So Christie slings it wide for Beauden Barrett. And lovely offload, and Julian Savea for the corner off the Matt Proctor pass. So using this near side with Beauden Barrett, steps his way out of one, gets it back to Christie, and on debut for the Hurricanes, Finlay Christie scores.
Threats all over that back line if they can get it out there.
Steady!
Right, so in it goes.
Stay 9. Yeah.
Scrum holding up nicely here from the Sunwolves. And away on the blind side goes Prinsep. And the number 8 scores.
Toganga there, number 6. He's hanging on. He doesn't get off. Well, he gets off late. And it's really in the end. Good luck.
Christie again. Now Beauden Barrett floats it away into the arms of Smith, which made him a sitting target. Now Prinsep on to Geordie Barrett, looking to slip through, and he does so. Now he'll go all the way, I think. And he's got the pace. Geordie Barrett.
Who's out?
Good shove from the Sunwolves. Now Booth gives it off to Milner. Scatter in a bit of space. Oh dear. Ran it straight into his, well, the defender might have just been standing his ground, who knows.
Who's out? Onside.
Now the little kick goes back and the chase is on here, and it's being led. Whoa! Fukuoka.
Great vision. We talked about this lad before. He is very rapid, very fast. The ball stays in play. Kenki Fukuoka. Brilliant finish.
With an awkward pass. Now Booth. Inside pass goes for Julian Savea. Hurricanes getting very close.
Short! Ball's here! Hold on the line!
Booth reaching in.
Vantage over!
Quick hands, and Asso for the corner. Booth for Fatialofa. Drops the pass off for Geordie Barrett. Now he's looking for somebody who's got a bit of speed. He's got Chris Eves there. Here is Julian Savea. Artie Savea snaps it up, gets his pass off. Asso puts it over the line. What a try that is. As they charge at him, and his kick is dragged away left. So it's unconverted. Final whistle blows. Flattering result, or a flattering margin to the Hurricanes, but they'll take it.